Good day, this is Jim, and it's Slop in the Shop time. We got some more purchases and items, obviously, what these videos are about, and odd and end things. So let's mix up all this slop, go out and feed the pig, and you guys enjoy the video. Piles laying everywhere. Tom got a pile.
Oh, Jim, he's videoing.
How you like this? This would be neat on one of these. We're videoing while we're working. Now we had the scrap trip was not as profitable this time.
As you heard him, yeah.
But to our friend Vernon, these are the scrap bins they let us dig in here that they don't let you dig in up at Knoxville.
Not much around.
Tom got him a pile here. There wasn't much around, as Tom said a minute ago, and there's some aluminum bins. This wasn't that profitable today. They moved some stuff around and hauled out before we knew it. We'd been over here a couple of weeks ago. We've been good. They just moved some stuff around. They're flat steel, they're ductile, aluminum. But you look at some of these plates, aluminum here laying around. I mean, they're just some monster plates, some ductile iron. You can get any kind of ductile that you want. And it's just, they got it all. You know, we've been here. I was down here the other week and I got some aluminum 6061 for a Christmas project, and I was talking to one of the guys about it because it's handy. So that's kind of the way it works for us today. They were sawing some steel or aluminum sheets up on that slate saw for the customers. That's good stuff, huh? Yeah. Well, I've been spending the grandkids' inheritance again, and I know what's in this box as I ordered it. There we go. Couple of edge finders from Travers and a pair of 1, 2, 3 blocks because I needed a couple extras. So I was going to do this in the building, and this morning it's so cold that the building's froze up. So that kind of eliminated that process. So there's some more goodies there. Let me get one of them out. We've got home. And I'm going to throw this in my little rack. Right back. There's my aluminum, my piece of tubing. I think this whole grand bill is $42 or 40 something dollars. I'll have to look and see. Now hang on and I'll go get the Okay. I'm kind of going to hit a few purchases again to go on next Slop in the Shop and just little things that's happening. You know, I subscribed to the Home Shop Machinist that came. Always some good information. I like to keep them handy. The metal supermarkets, I picked up one of these neat metal guides. Tom probably showed you this in his video. And this is a piece of Lexan that I bought for a project that I changed my mind on. So I decided I'm going to do something else. And over here, Amazon has struck again. And there's some counter boards, a brand new set of counter boards for the shop because I've never had any. So this is a new addition to the shop. It's an import, obviously, because I'm poor, broke, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to use that on the upcoming project. I hope you enjoyed Slop in the Shop. I will remind you that these videos are copyrighted production of James Dedman Sawlogs Plastic Hubs and for your personal entertainment. I hope you enjoyed what we fed the pig today, and we'll see you on the next video.